Hi, welcome everyone to the next quick look. Today we're gonna have a look at the memorial game between Fujii Oi and Satomi Ladies Oi. It's played somewhere near the end of the year, but officially published on the 1st January of this year. And what's special about this game is that the Oi holder Fujii will have 10 minutes thinking time, while Ladies Oi, Satomi, will have 1 hour thinking time. So quite a bit of time handicap. Both of course have 1 minute Biomi. If you're interested in watching the full game, you can look in the link in the description. Before we start, one more cool news. You probably heard on our Discord, but Satomi is now officially married last year, announced as well on the 1st of January, and she's gonna be changing her name to Fukuma Kana. Congratulations to her. So let's jump into the game. In this position, Satomi was attacking very severely with central rook. You can see it is severe because there's 4 pieces looking at the 5-3 square, and Fujii is a little bit in pinch. So what continued from here was rook promotion, which according to the computer wasn't the best move, but what I would like you to think about, what was the decisive move here? Please pause the video here if you want to think. So the move that Satomi played and decided the game was the brilliant knight promotion to 6-1, gold takes, and a pawn promotion. Currently there is 1, 2, 3 pieces attacking a square that is defended by only 2 pieces, so Fujii cannot take. He dropped the silver, but here slowly makes her attack even stronger by a pawn drop. We try to attack this bishop to delete it from the board, but Satomi attacks, and after that carefully goes back. We try to defend pawn promotion, but it doesn't stop. The attack, and here the last attempt to block the bishop. Another move. If you would like to think, please pause the video. What is the correct answer here? It's not gonna be to take the gold, it's gonna be again to make our attack even stronger. Bishop drops 6-4. This is just a jaw-dropping move. If we take it with the bishop, and here it seems like our attack is stopped, but we go back, activating the other bishop, doubling our attack on 4-2 square while attacking the dragon. And this is so powerful that in this position Fujii resigned, and so Satomi brilliantly won her memorial game. Really cool game. I recommend you guys check out the full game once more in the link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.